Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Got some docks in the background here. We're getting pushed out by a storm, but we do have a giveaway, so this is for 1,000 subscribers.
Thank y'all so much for helping us reach 1,000, guys. Y'all been awesome.
We got a $100 Bass Pro gift card.
Bass Pro, $100.
To enter, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. You'll be entered in giving away this Bass Pro gift card.
We got a few other goodies, guys. We got some of those Fanfish Assassin lures, some Bobby Garland, and that is your what's that called? Color Baby Shad Electric Chicken. Of course, the beetle spin, because we're the beetle spin gang. We got to give that away. And Crappie magnets, guys. Little orange and chartreuse, and of course some little jig heads.
So all those baits and a $100 Bass Pro gift card to one lucky subscriber. Remember, like the video.
Thank y'all so much.
Hit
God
the
bless
subscribe
y'all.
button, hit the comment, and y'all stay tuned for this one.
I don't know. It's acting weird though. There he is. There he is. Yeah. That's a little on the short side. Yeah. That one's a little short. A little bit short. Let's let him go. Had to come back and try it again. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, they're right there. Yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. Dude, I don't know, man. Go get that bucket. I'm not gonna. I can't do this. Anybody got a stringer? I'm for real.
It's a little slab, dude.
I'm gonna go get that bucket.
Grab that bucket. I'm not going. I was crazy. Well, I'm like,
Nah, man, if you got a little crappie jig like that, there's crappie all over out there. And if you work it back real slow, they'll hit it. I get some water here.
gotta be out there too if they're over there. Got him.
Got him?
Yeah. Out there.
Out there?
Yeah. It's not a bad one.
Let's go. This lake is
Oh man. I haven't felt that bump in a minute.
I got a good little bump.
Yeah. That was awesome. Nice little dock crappie. Gotta love that. Yeah, Aaron. They're kind of out. The outdoor one was like way out there.
Go further out.
But you got.
Oh my god.
Was that a good one?
That's decent.
You kind of gotta let them, like, you gotta get it down there to them though.
Yeah.
Like, Yeah, kind of let that sink a little bit. Yeah, kind of let that sink a little bit.
Daggone. I should have stuck him better. I was a light bite. There he is. There he is. I ain't very big though.
What is that? Crappie?
Yeah. Oh, that's decent. He'll work. I think I'm gonna take these home. I think I'm gonna take these home and fillet them for my daddy. It's a decent fish though. Honestly, you know, it's like,
yeah,
it's a decent crappie. Put him in the bucket. Might have too much water in there. Alright, that's 3 in the bucket. 30 is all we can put in the bucket. Do what? Out there? Yeah. That's what I was thinking. I was wondering if it's kind of a drop off and they're hitting it up on the hill.
This is about 5 or 6 feet.
Yeah, I'll give you some of these. These are the ones we're using. I don't know if you got a little bitty jig head. I know, man. I was over here the other day and I tore them up and I was like, man, I gotta come back and do that again. Yeah. I've never walked up to a dock and they were as thick as they were the other day. I don't know. We've had a little front mow through though.
You ever fast fish this lately?
I actually haven't. I want to today, but we can't get off these crappie. I'm sorry. If you got a little bitty jig head. Let's see, he might have one. I ain't opened my bag yet. Dude, that is a giant.
And he had 3 or 4 different ones bigger than him swimming with him.
I know, I looked on the Google reviews and there were some big bass out of here.
Got him. Felt that bite. Yeah, that is good. They're healthy. Yeah, they're just healthy. Like.
That's what I'm saying. They're a little bit heavier than some of the other ones like that, you know?
Yeah. That's just a healthy crappie. Just got some good weight to him for how long he is, and just got some good shoulders. Gotta love that. Got him? Oh. Chill, buddy. Yeah. 4. Got him. Felt that bite. Woo! Yeah. Aaron, come right here, dude.
I know, I gotta get more over it, right?
Yeah, they're kind of out.
They're all right in there.
They're really like right there, like in between these two docks. Goodness, guys, we're wearing these suckers out. Check him out. Let's go, baby. Filling up the bucket, dude. Got some slabs in there.
I think your jig down, bum. I can't see it, but I hit it anyway.
Oh yeah,
There's a little bass and warmouth too around here.
Oh, he's got it.
Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. I was looking at your fish. Caught this fish. Oh. There we go, guys. Another crappie in the rain. I think there's like these little rocks in here and they just mill around waiting for them little fish. There you go, Aaron. Let that sink. And then hold your rod tip kind of up and then slowly bring it back.
Let it glide through the water too.
Well, it ain't every cast like last time, but it's... There he is. There he is. Got that one. Got that boy. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh. There's another one. That wind. See, I didn't have to deal with any wind the other day. That wind will keep this jig too high if I don't upsize the weight. Oh, there he is. There he is. Woo-hoo. How many was that, Bo? You know? How many we got? How many we got here? Man, I can't see. 1, 2. I'm gonna say that's 7. How the bite just kind of stopped when it got windy and choppy like that. Try to get the bait down to them is hard. There he is. There he is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get up here. Do what? Alright, guys. Number 8 in the bucket.
Y'all sure y'all want to do this? Hopefully I don't lose anything. Man. Talk about a storm. Alright guys, we're fishing. The wind is probably like 20 plus miles an hour right now. And it's kind of putting it into our day, which has been the theme lately. We may have to leave and call this a video, but we're trying to wait for it to pass, but I'm not exaggerating when I say like 20 miles an hour winds. That's literally not an exaggeration.
Right here.
There's some fish around the dock for sure.
Dude, he's not bad either. Good fish. Oh, it felt bigger than that. Still getting them.
Ooh. Yeah, after the storm, guys, we stuck it out. Storm went by. It was crazy, but now we're back on them.
Getting back on them.
Oh yeah, they're dipping so fast. Oh crap. We're out, boy. I'm good on that. I am good on that.
We caught some crappie this morning. They kind of slowed down after the storm rolled through.
Yeah, it's the same for me. I caught about 6, 7 large, and I thought 2 pounds.
I know.
Yeah, it died off.